How does a credit card impact on your Capital One credit score? So, according to the credit card, now opening a new credit card should decrease your credit score by just a few points, usually around 5 to 10 points. After applying a credit card triggers a hard inquiry which stays on your credit report for 1 to 2 years. Opening a new credit card can be a way to find a low interest rate on travel rewards or take advantage of an introductory offers. When you open a new credit card account, you might see a brief dip in your score, but if you use your credit card responsibly, it could give you the opportunity to boost your credit in a long run. Applying for one or opening a new credit card may cause a temporary dip in your credit score. Now, getting pre approved for a credit card only requires a soft inquiry, which won't impact your credit score, and a new credit card might help reduce your credit utilization ratio and improve your credit mix, which could positively impact your score over time with reasonable use. So, while opening a new credit card can negatively impact your credit score in a short term, it may actually benefit your scoring in a long term as long as you use your card responsibly. You could just take a closer look at some of the benefits you can apply for a new credit card. That is, decrease your credit utilization ratio. You would also go to improve your credit mix, and other benefit includes taking advantage of introductory offers and sign up bonuses, establishing or build a strong credit history with consistent one-time payment, and you could also use balance transfer to help pay off high interest debt at 0% or low introductory loan. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.